There's the baler. And for fun, we're going to open up some Indian corn. Pretty cool. Not much. Some of these ears. That'll be decoration in front. See if we got anything here. Yeah, that's cool. We got our chute to hold in the pressure in our chamber. We got the rod. Get that there. Hold it in place. And then to hold up the back of it, put this rod through right there. Attach that. Cut our twine about as big as we think we need. Here. 1. 2. 3. String through the top, string through the bottom. One. Start loading up our hay. Start creating our profiles. Some of that's not dry enough, but this is just for fun. Kind of just for fun. I think we can fit one more ice in there. We want our bale to look good. This is being filmed after all. Doesn't have to be super tight. Okay, we're through. Put our top twine through. Pull it back. Didn't quite make her all the way. I don't know, we've never had that happen. Do it again. Got that through. Now what we do, let's tie it. off the tails. Okay, relieve the pressure from the chamber. Shove that bale out. Oh, yeah, remove the door as well. Now you got yourself a bale that's given birth. Clean it up a little bit. You got yourself a mini bale, perfect for the fall decoration season.